Yo, what's the matter? I know it's been a while since I posted on there, and I'm sorry about that, but you know, I'm back now. I haven't had a chance to go anywhere recently. I haven't had a chance to find new places, new interesting places. A lot of things have been going on recently, so I haven't actually had the motivation to go anywhere. But hey, yeah, we're back now. That's all that matters. So, today we went to Clifton Rocks Railway. I believe this was like a big attraction, but back in like the 18 to 1900s, and it was a very big attraction, one of the most popular attractions in Bristol. I believe so. Now might be my history may be a bit incorrect, but hey, who knows? So yeah, the Clifton Rocks Railway opened in 1893 and then shut down in 1934. I believe, I'm not 100% on the reason why they shut down, but I'm pretty sure they lost like a bunch of profit, and then the roads, the buses, the cars made them unprofitable, which then like, you know, stopped them from making money, obviously. And then they kind of like turned it into a World War I or World War II shelter, air raid shelter thing. I don't know, I can't remember off the top of my head. But it's a very historical place, and this was probably the most historical place we've ever been to. It's got the most story to it, I'll give it that. It's got the most story to it, and it was very interesting. So yeah, it was very big, and it was a very big place. It was very scary as well, like pretty creepy. Just want to make it clear, do not do this. Being caught doing this can lead to legal actions taking place. I'm only doing this because I'm an idiot and I like exploring abandoned places, obviously. Me and my mates are doing this for exploration reasons, but don't do this. I honestly, don't do this. I'm doing it for you. I've done it for you. That's all. You don't need to do. Anyway, if you do like these videos, make sure you subscribe and like these videos with notifications on. If you put the notifications on, you're just always going to get notifications every time I post a video. But yes, that's me done talking now, and I'm just going to go straight into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. It's a very interesting one today, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
Where to go? Hurry.
Right.
Go. Wait, one of you have me the torch?
Oh yeah, shit, you need to get up there.
Oh.
How we get up there? Wait, one of you.
This place really isn't that old, is it? Well, no, it's ancient, but fucking hell. Why did they shut it down?
Jesus Christ, bro.
Are you going in there? Are you going in?
Yeah, Brenda, can you?
Yeah. Okay, who the fuck? There's a genuine car shop, agreed. A genuine car shop.
Okay. Yeah. Light. Keep the light on.
Really correct.
Wait a second, just getting this on camera.
No, fuck that. That's...
Oh, what the
I wouldn't touch any of the water. What was taken as a souvenir? I'll take it, please.
It's the warning post.
Yeah, I don't think anything actually happened. Oh, yeah. Right. That here is the scariest thing I've ever seen.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Brandon, you're leading.
I need to be in second. I need to be second. Wait. Keep me in second.
We could get through that.
Is that what they're called?
Yeah, that's the Thursday one.
Are we going down there?
Yeah, we better.
I don't like being in the back.
Lad.
Oh god.
Oh, that was a scary shit.
Oh my god, my foot was wrong.
Oh my.
I literally need glass back if no one's seen
God.
That's just a light.
What's that?
There really is lights on.
Jesus Christ. It's the most historical place we've been in.
You haven't written this in a while, but I can't lie. This is Vinny's Bristol Railway.
Yeah, my first parent.
Jesus. Oh, this is crazy.
Mate, getting out of here is going to be so sketchy.
I already stopped there.
Yeah, I've already started.
My dad went up with his
Guys, I'm not being last. I'm recording.
Huh?
I can't be last. I'm recording. I've got to be in the middle.
I don't like that.
I don't mind being last.
You can be last and I'll be first.
You be first, you be second.
I just need a light.
Nah,
Sorry.
this is actually mint. I can't lie.
Yeah, I just don't want to get jump scoped on or something.
I don't really get scared by someone.
There's not going to be anyone there.
Yeah, let's just.
Okay, we probably shouldn't shine the light at the window. Okay, let's go. I'm going first.
Vinny and Johnny and me. Oh, red boots.
Oh. I'm not gonna. There's nothing much up there anyway.
Oh, no, photo. Oh, do we take a... Do we take a photo?
We should take it.
No, we take it. It's good, right?
I'll find out when you find the whole thing.
I'm not coming, Joel. Let's go with that.
I can't see.
I've got all that. I don't like that. That's very sketchy.
No, I don't like that either. It's so cold.
Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
Oh, fucking hell.
Are we going down there?
Yes.
Okay, these. That's got electricity.
You.
Yes, you.
Come on, come on.
I can't do anything. Right, that's Brandon, because I'm.
Brandon, get my phone out.
Oh, God. Sorry.
It's in one of the pockets.
Try this one.
Might be the main one.
Yeah, I think it's a weird one. How do I sell this down? There we go.
Shelter.
Big ones, they're all the same ones. Narrow each other.
Right.
There you go.
I don't like that one. I really don't.
Neither.
Are we going now?
Yeah.
It's content.
That wasn't my phone.
I'm seeing that side.
That's so fucking lovely. Okay, I'm going first by the looks of it. Can I fit through that? How far did that go?
God knows.
These have got electricity, which...
Vinny, come on. People come in here for toys. That's why.
You want to take your bag and your helmet off, but I don't need to go first in.
No. Is it that we last or last?
It's helmet off. No, take it in.
Now that is scary, I'll tell you.
Sorry.
Okay, bag. Bag. I'm keeping the light pointed down there.
Thank you.
Okay, wait for Brandon before you go.
Boom shakalaka. That was the keyword on there. The whistling. Means we're in trouble. They're telling us to go.
Oh no, I don't think you first.
Guys, didn't they see you? The keyboard's boom shakalaka. If they whistle, we have to come out.
We don't have any self-shielders. No good hair.
It's not they're going to come down and search us, is it?
No. I didn't.
Oh, get the light on this.
Why did they break it all up down like that?
Get the light on it.
Why would they break it all up?
It's crazy.
Brandon, keep a light out here.
Huh?
Keep a light out here.
Oh, there's a ladder down there.
Keep a light out here.
Right, keep going.
Keep a light out here.
Guys.
Yes. Keep a light inside the room and I don't trust it. Look at the water droplets condensing.
I'm shaking. Guys, this is the scariest one we've been in. I'm
taking a piece of metal. Put that in my bag.
Open your bag.
Open my bag and put it in.
I'll be honest with you guys. This is genuinely the worst one.
Right,
The best one.
open my bag.
The best one we've been to, or the scariest one. Legit, and I'm not saying I'm not normally scared of stuff like this. But
Yeah,
Jesus,
I thought you didn't put it in.
I'm genuinely shitting myself. So swearing.
No. Yeah, I heard it, but I don't really care. Mate, we're too deep in for the police to care. If my torch cuts out, we're leaving, by the way.
Our friends said the key word for like to get out, and we're not listening because we're too far down. We should listen, but you know we're too far down.
Mate, look at that. That's definitely not sketch at all.
Jesus. God, come on.
Clifton Rocks Railway. Do we bring this back? There's like an actual reception.
Guys, this better go pop. This better go viral.
It doesn't go viral, right? Okay, this is cool. It's like incredibly fucking sketchy. I don't like this.
Neither.
This is like a cool hangout there, so.
Oh, I shouldn't get that in there.
I don't know where that goes, but we're gonna.
Yeah, I'm not got hair.
What the fuck is banging? I don't know what is hearing that.
Are we going further down?
I guess so.
Are you going all the way down?
Hold on.
See, this looks like some place where they do shops, actually. Probably shouldn't say that because I don't know what the fuck's down here. Why did they do... Do we know the law behind this railway, by the way?
Couldn't tell you.
We should have probably... Before you... Okay, come, let's do it. Before you upload this, I would do research on the railway itself, right? No, I'm not being at the back. You will know how this goes.
Brandon, back at the back.
You're the oldest, Brandon.
What was that say?
I'm the oldest.
Drill, shot, hole. Drill, shot. Oh, it fell down.
Okay, so... Suddenly, right? So I would, if I was you, I would, before you upload, do like a 5-minute
Yeah.
beginning with like the lore behind the Clifton Rocks Railway and why it shut down.
I know it shut. I know it opened in 1893. Yeah, it closed in 1934.
I'm not going down there.
Fuck that. Just same as before. Me too. The adrenaline.
My legs are shaking. You're shaking.
I'm shitting myself.
What's down there?
Oh, I wouldn't recommend it.
Yeah, I'm not going down there. That's the bottom of Clifton Rocks Railway.
Not happening.
We're not going in there.
This is the sketchiest one we've ever done. Up.
Now, Brandon, what are you doing?
Brandon, get at the back.
No, you can play the one. Wow. Paste this. What the fuck was that? You heard that right? Okay, what the fuck? What?
We're near the road,
There's a lot of water there.
That's just rain.
And that really doesn't smell very nice. Is it just me? Doesn't smell very nice. There must have been a fire down here then, I'm assuming. I'm assuming there was a fire.
Jesus. Are you sure it's just rain?
Do we know like the things around spirits and all that?
Yep.
And it smells of it. Yeah, here we are. So let's go downstairs. Okay. Guys, you going up there?
That's the road.
Yeah.
That means that little hill thing, that like balcony.
The hill thing is above us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Back to gold. Do you know what? I might take a piss actually.
Oh,
There's a
okay.
toilet in there, mate.
Exactly. Oh wow, there is none. I'll take a piss in the loo. Got a POV for me pissing.
Why did we do this?
Take a piss.
Oh.
So, your dad will probably stay right there.
We're staying there, don't worry. Oh,
Yeah.
staying there. Oh god, it's pitch black. Yeah, honestly, do not do this. Do not do this. We're doing this for our purposes.
Okay, well.
Don't die. Again.
Okay, guys, well. That's just the bottom. We're going to go back up now. I hope we are anyway, right?
No, that way. We just put there.
Luckily, this is actual bargain that we can move for the after.
This is actually history right here.
Yeah, we're walking in history.
No, Brandon, get in the fucking back.
No island. No island part of the history.
Yeah, there is history.
Yeah, this is the scary part.
What comes top?
Yeah.
Comes up.
I don't like it going back on.
What we are doing can get us in legal trouble, just warning you, so do not do this.
Yeah, we'll do what we're doing.
Yeah, if whoever owns Clifton Rocks Railway, which is good, the council, hopefully they're not, hopefully they don't do press
The people who
charges.
own this place watch us. I am not sorry.
I'm pretty sure it's a council, which explains why they just gave up on it.
Yeah,
Fucking hell, I'm gonna get leg there.
we've already got that day.
There we go, I'm going back over to this side. Yeah, we've got a nice time back up.
I think there are people.
Yeah, I think they're actually.
They told it. They did the thing. They said if they whistle to come out. Or if they saw worker, and they said they went boyka. No, they went boomboka.
I think my dad will either be ashamed or proud, so doesn't matter.
My mother said, well, yeah, I thought anyway, the police were crowded for it. I'm 18. And what?
Police would just say to get out.
Hey, I'll ride up on my bike, without giving them my name.
No, here, the police.
They can say,
Getting dropped at Johnny's gaff.
you guys have to pay me for this. You owe me a Galaxy chocolate bar.
Sound. I've got money. Whenever I see you next, got that chocolate bar. Yeah.
I love you, Dad. I It's just... Yo guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys like that. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Make sure you click the fucking whatever it is, the bell, whatever, for notifications. I don't know. But yeah. Also, we are hoping to grab some more people around Bristol to come around some more places with us. If you do want to be a part of these videos, let me know. And I will just, yeah, maybe I'll pick you, maybe I won't. But it is what it is. Thank you for watching. And yeah, thank you. Bye.